and welcome to the first car meet of 2022, where today we're here at the Dovecote Inn. You can see lots of different cars around the parking field here and lots in the centre paddock too. So we're going to have a good look around, see what we can spot and then capture some exits a little later on. So let's get to it. Okay, so starting off here in the left hand side of the field, we've got a lovely little classic Mini alongside the Ford Mustang Bullet Edition. A wonderful 5 litre Mustang in the yellow and black there with some wonderful striping. Also got a classic Mustang too. A little further up here and we've got BMW next to a wonderful Alfa Romeo. Got a classic Ford. Got a wonderful BMW here, that's one of the wonderful blue Beamers that I really do like. Also got a Lotus GT 410 Sportive Aura, as well as a classic Jaguar XK. Do love a nice Jag XK as well. Got a Mini Cooper, bit of a newer one that. Also an Austin Healey 3000 Mark II. Go around here quickly and you can see a Toyota MR2, as well as a nice classic wartime truck. Another nice car there as well, another classic. A police Ford arriving, a Porsche Carrera S, and then a wonderful red convertible down on the end. Okay, so here on the Mudsters stand we've got a wonderful Bentley alongside the MG GT. We've also got an Audi S4, a nice Volkswagen Golf GTI, a nice Mitsubishi Lancer in the white with a really nice spoiler on the rear. We've also got a wonderful Alfa Romeo Giulia Quadrifoglio, which looks absolutely fantastic. I think that's one of the new versions as well. I absolutely love that. Also got a nice Jag over here. In fact, we've got a pair of Jaguars alongside a nice Mini. Do like a good Mini. Also got a nice Ford Fiesta and a brand new Mini. This one is one of the Mini JCWs, which of course stands for John Cooper Works. They're really nice. I do like those, especially in that colour, very similar to the Alfa Romeo we saw a few seconds ago. Also got the Triumph TR6 alongside this, which I'm actually not too sure what this is. Please do leave it in the comments below. And then here we've got a hot rod arriving, which is really cool. Also got a nice MGTF alongside a Morris minivan. Okay, so over here we have a Ford Escort Cosworth alongside a really nice yellow Vauxhall VX220. Also got a BMW M6 alongside a wonderful red Jaguar XK8, which I really like. Okay, so over here we've got a really nice white MGB Roadster next to a wonderful MG Midget. Also got a pair of Fords there. We've got the Escort Cosworth and also I believe a Sierra. On the end we've got a Jaguar XJS V12 alongside a pair of Ford Focus RS's. You've got the Mark II right on the end there next to the Mark III. Now going to move over to these cars on the slope. Okay, so up there we've got a nice Toyota GR Yaris alongside an Audi R8 and also a Hillman Avenger Tiger. Over here we've got a really nice Ford 1600 Sport alongside an Escort Mexico. Down here we've got a really nice Mustang in the red alongside a classic wartime vehicle. That looks really cool actually. Also got a nice classic Lotus Talbot. Also a really nice MGB Roadster here with all of the different badges on the front. We've got an Hillman Super Minx as well. We've got a Zero custom kit car alongside a second car of the same sort.
Yeah, is it?
And then we've also got a really nice Audi RS3. And then also a Mazda MX-5. Okay, so here we've got a really cool Ford police car. You've even got the badge in the interior of the car there on the dashboard. Also got this really nice Lotus Elise over here. Down the bottom you've got the Di Tommaso Pantera in the wonderful red. Really like that one. We sit at quite a few meets here, but yeah, really nice. Got a Land Rover down there. That looks really pretty as well and really shiny too. And you've also got an Aston Martin alongside a Volkswagen GTI, of course a Golf. We've also got another Lotus Elise here, this one in a really nice blue colour along an older predecessor of the same car, and then down on the bottom a Volkswagen camper van. Okay, so starting right at the bottom down there, we've got a Jaguar alongside a Skoda Fabia. We've also got a really nice Ford Mustang in the shiny silver. I think that's like the fourth one of the meet today, but I really do like those. That's alongside a Mercedes AMG A45 Hyper Hatch. Also got a nice classic Volvo alongside a Porsche and a Peugeot 205 GTI. We've also got a really cool customised Volkswagen V6 Amarok, a Mercedes 190 Evo, a really cool classic Range Rover. No, that's a Land Rover, of course, the predecessor to the newer Range Rovers. Got the customised Ford Transit Custom. Got a nice classic Porsche Targa, I believe. Got the Fiesta S rolling in, and also a Porsche Boxster Spider. I think there's a couple of cars round the back of these as well, so we'll just head round and get those. Here we go. Got the Lotus Elise 111R in the red, alongside another classic a little bit further up. Got this really cool classic here. Not too sure on what that is, you'll have to let me know down in the comments below, but it says 3.5 litre on the side. Looks a bit like the styling of a Jag or a Rover, but I'm honestly not too sure. Bit further round here and we've got another cool custom car alongside another Jag, another MGB GT, a nice red Audi with the Quattro all-wheel drive, alongside a Jaguar F-Type S and another Focus RS. And here, a really cool brand new Audi A5 in a really cool camo green, blending in with the tree and the grass there really nicely. Okay, we're now going to head over into the centre paddock, but before we do that, we need to have a quick look at some of these. So from what I can see here, got the Jag XK8 alongside a nice little Mazda MX-5. Also got a classic Ford and a couple of SUVs. Here we've got a really nice Subaru RB5 alongside a nice MGB GT in a really cool sort of reddy orange colour. Do like that. That's alongside another orange car, this time in the form of another Lotus Elise. That's alongside the Ariel Atom, which looks absolutely brilliant. Also got a really nice Honda Africa Twin down here there. And yes, I do know my bikes as well. Also got a nice Volkswagen, this one in the red, even with the red painted interior of the engine unit. You can see that there on display. Got this really nice purple Lamborghini Huracan Performante there with the wonderful rear spoiler. Also got a, I believe that's a, not too sure actually, it's either a Lotus Elise or a Lotus Evora, but it's a GT410 Sport. That's alongside a Cayman GT4. And then if we head back over here, we can see another nice bike, that one in the form of a classic Moto Guzzi, alongside this, which I actually now know is a form of Nissan. I'm not too sure what it is. Oh, it's the Nissan Figaro. That looks really nice there in the green sort of powder green. I like that a lot. You've also got this Porsche 911 Carrera GT3 RS, which looks absolutely brilliant there in the green. You can also see the racing stripes on that one as well. Also got the really nice Honda Civic Type R FK8. This epic, cool, raised custom car here called the Rocket, alongside another Lamborghini Huracan, looking really lovely in the black. We've also got this, part of the Classicwise collection, called the IFA Wartburg, something like that. Really rare car that, looking at it, because I've never seen one before. Also got a really nice classic Mini. It's actually an Austin Mini Cooper. Got another Triumph TR6. A Datsun, I believe that's either a 240 or a 280Z. And then down on the end, another cool classic. Not too sure what that is, to be honest, but it is really nice. We've also got, rolling in now, a Jaguar F-Type S, followed by a Volkswagen Golf R32, which is actually pretty rare these days. Alright, we'll head over there next and then down to the exit. We've got the Porsche 968 Club Sport alongside a really cool custom Ford pickup. That's next to this really nice green Lamborghini Huracan Performante Spider, and rolling in now is a Porsche Gt3. So yeah, all cool cars. Okay, leaving the show now, we've got the wonderful white Jaguar F-Type S, followed by one of the classic Mustangs, and another classic behind, so here we go. There goes the Jag, there goes the Mustang. There you go, and also there's a nice 911 Turbo S arriving too, and also an Austin Cooper, and also a wonderful Escort RS Cosworth. Okay, so approaching now, we have the Gt3 Pantera about to leave the show. Got a couple more classic Fords approaching here, followed by a Mini Cooper. And there goes the Mini, spookling on down the road. And some nice sounds from the Escort. Here goes the Sunbeam Lotus Talbot. Followed by the Alpha and a Ford Escort Cosworth. Right, no, that's the Mexico in the wonderful green. There's the RS2000. There's the XJS V12. And then the new Mini JCW. Okay, here goes the brand new Mini. Very nice.